Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing the daytime running lights in a 2004 Chevy the Chevy Suburban. It's the same thing with the Tahoe, but this is the Suburban. I'm upgrading my daytime running lights because one of them goes out, the other one come on and off. So I'm guessing that they maybe burnt the socket or who knows. Because you know those bulbs, the daytime running light bulbs, the regular ones get real hot. So I'm gonna change them out for some LED bulbs that run a lot cooler and they last a lot longer. So if you look at my other video, I did an unpackaging of the Sylvania bulbs, the LED lights for the daytime running lights. They pretty well made. You know, you can check that out. But I'm gonna actually install them now. You wanna move those two locks right there off. Take them off. And then a headlight bulb will pop right out. All right. And then, so I got HID lights in here, so it'll be pretty easier when you guys install them. And then let's see this tab down here. That little where it go? This gray tab right here. Oh no, let me focus in on that gray tab right here. You just want to push that in, and then it pop the bottom lights right out. And this is the one what you need to get to your daytime running lights. See that? Right there. All right, guys. Now that that's out, you just want to see this tab in there. There's a tab on the bottom side of it. You just want to press it up. Let me see. I'm sorry, the tab is right here. See that? Press it in right there. And then when you press it in, turn it, and pop it right out. And these gotta be careful with these. See how some sockets there? Sometimes these sockets burn out. Let me pull this out of here. Sometimes these sockets burn pretty bad because the light's so hot, but this one is not actually bad. I know it might look, the plastic tips burnt, but the metal in there is good. The contact is good. These bulbs run super hot. That's why I want to replace it with the LEDs, because these bulbs run super hot. Replacing them with the Sylvania. These the lights. Let me show you. The 3157. They also fit the 3057 and the 3047. They 6000 K. That's the brightness of the color. So it's like a white, bright white. So let me pop this in here. All right, guys. Now you see how it's working. Now, if you put it in one way and it don't work, it's no. Cause I know some bulbs it don't matter which way you stick it in, but the polarity matter on here. So if you put it in one way and it don't work, just take the bulb out, turn it around, and put it in the other way. You ain't gonna harm nothing. All right. So let me put this back in here. Just put it back in and twist it in. That's simple. It's real simple process. All right. They just turned off because they timed out. I had to hit the unlock. They also come on at nighttime when you hit the unlock, so it'll be bright. So like if you're in a dark area neighborhood, you'll be able to see. All right. See that, guys? Put that back in the same way you took it out. Pop right back in. Them lights, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they look much better. Much better. All right. That's it, guys. Let me do the same thing to the other side, and then I'm done. See that, guys? That's that factory bulb. You see how nasty that light look? Look yellower. The LED light look way better. See that? Like a nasty yellow. And the LED light make it look much newer, look better. You know, somebody come up the street with a set of crisp LED headlights. That's what they doing in all the newer vehicles. You know, so yeah. All right, guys, I'm done on both sides. Done. That's simple. All right. The light, I think the light paid like 15, 16 bucks for the light, but it's worth it because them other bulbs gonna keep going out. And like those other bulbs, I had those bulbs on for like 10 seconds and I barely could take it out. Things burning my hand. LED lights run way cooler, look way cooler, so that's saving a lot of energy. yeah, that's it. You know, I got the HID headlights, HID headlights, LED bright lights, and then the HID fog lights. And then I got to do a video at night so I can show y'all how everything look at night. The daytime running lights, the brights, the high beam, I mean the low beams, and then the fog lights. All right, man. Thanks. I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.
Perfect.